So I'm all done here. This came out really good. And as you can see, there's not any stops and starts on it. But as you can see, because it's soft cedar, soft wood, that you can't spend a lot of time when you're power washing it. So it's kind of hard to get in the pipes in. Did the best I could, but it looks pretty good. There's not, like I said, there's not a lot of stops and starts on it. When you stop with the power washer, when you go to stain something like this, if you have that on there, it'll show right up. So went ahead and I hit all the windows too to make sure there's no stuff on them. Cleaned them up good. And like I showed you before, this here was more of a solid, and the rest of the house has a semi on it, solid. So I want the rest of the house to match. So the customer's going to do this side herself. So I dare say it came out good. And I use a, like I said, a duck back material by Sherwin-Williams, and that is a stain and sealer remover. And the stuff works good. I use it on a lot of my projects. If you check, look in my photos, you'll see that I did a big barn last year, and I stripped the old finish off. A customer had somebody do it, and they stained instead of side to side, to the window, or to the side of the garage to the side of the garage, the trim board. They went ahead and stained it straight down all the way across, and when they put the next coat on it, it all lapped up. So when I went ahead and stripped it, I got rid of all that, and it looks brand new now. So the customer's real happy. So I did this for another customer. So just this one side, she wanted to get it cleaned up. So thanks for watching.